So we're going to start the 3.2 worksheet. You can read the words at the top. I just dropped a pen. Hang on. Okay. Okay, so the process by which an outcome is obtained is an experiment. We got a sample space, an event, all the stuff. Okay. So first one down here after all this vocab. All right. Ariana's chain occasionally falls off her bike during her 1 mile commute. Sorry, what am I saying? 1 mile, 5 mile commute to work. If this happens, what is the probability that it will happen during the last mile of her commute? Assume that the chain falls off randomly. All right, so our sample space, S, would be, during mile 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. Those are all the possible mileage blocks. So like within the first mile, within the second mile, right, within the third mile that we could be. And we want the event that the chain falls off in the last mile, so mile 5. All right, so assume that the chain falls off randomly. Then our probability of this event E happening is 1 out of 5 possible outcomes because there's one element in E, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in the sample set. So we have a 1 in 5, or this would be 20% chance that it happens in the last mile of her commute. All right, next. A couple just got married and plans on having 3 children. Is it more likely that they have 3 children of the same gender or a mix of boy and girls, and assume that there's an equal probability of having boys and girls? So let's see. We could have, let's say, here's my sample set. Let's list all of the possibilities we could have. We could have boy, boy, boy. We could have boy, girl, boy. We could have boy, boy, girl. Or we could have girl, boy, boy. Okay, so that's all the 2 boys combinations. Okay, then we could have 2 girl combinations. So we could have boy, girl, girl. Keep going. We could have boy, girl. Oh, wait, no. Erase, I already did that one. We could have girl, girl, boy. Or we could have girl, boy, girl. Okay, I think that's it. And then the last one would be girl, girl, girl. Okay, so first one, is it more likely that they will have the same gender? So the only ones that have same gender are 2. So I'll grab a different color for this. Same gender. We have 2 possibilities out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1 in 4 chance, okay, of having the same gender. Or we could have a mix of boys and girls, and it doesn't specify what type of mix. So we could have 6 possibilities of that, which would be 3/4 chance. So which is more likely? A mix. All right, cool. Then we will flip our page. All right, relative frequency. If you repeat an experiment a number of times and count how many times an event happens, we say that this will match the probability. Outcome will match the probability. Theoretic probability. All right. Law of large numbers. If you repeat an experiment many times, the relative frequency of an event will be very close to the probability.